Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the importance of hiring a facade consultant for your building projects. As a facade consultant, I play a crucial role in ensuring that buildings not only look aesthetically pleasing, but also function properly. This is where my expertise comes in. I assess the design and construction of the exterior of the building to make sure it meets safety, aesthetic, and performance standards. I look for any potential issues, like cracks, leaks, or inadequate insulation, that could affect the building's integrity. By working closely with architects, engineers, and contractors, I help to ensure that the building's facade is not only visually appealing, but also durable and sustainable. So next time you're starting a new construction project, don't forget to consult with a facade consultant to ensure that your building's exterior not only looks great, but also stands the test of time. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos on architecture and design tips. To know more, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description.